Page number.
Open your books to page number 35. Page number 35, children. Has and have. Give me a thumbs up once you're ready with the book. Open the pages. All right. All right. So has and have. Now fold your hands straight and pay attention.
Excuse me, ma'am. Page number.
Page number 35.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Welcome. Now has and have. Now look at the two pictures given over there. First
Excuse
picture.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Arjun.
मैम बुक में करना है लिटरेचर या लैंग्वेज
क्या चीज?
लिटरेचर एंड लैंग्वेज
Language. I had put it in the group that we are going
गुड
to do
मॉर्निंग
language.
मैम
Good
ओके
morning.
मैम ओके मैम ओके
English
Okay,
language
ma'am.
book, page number 35. Page number 35. Now look at the two pictures there, children. You have one big bee all alone, the housefly. One big housefly is there, and it is written, a housefly has 5 eyes. A housefly has 5 eyes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Page number.
Page number 35, Satakshi. Has and have we are starting today. Got it? Page number 35. Some children are still joining. You have to be on time. Alright. You can see the two pictures. The first picture, you have a single housefly there, and it's written, a housefly has 5 eyes. One housefly. Then the second picture you have,
which page number?
second page number 35, children.
25
35, Roshni.
45 मैंने 25 का था
Page number 35, 35.
ग्रामर बोली थी मैम
Roshni,
35
we are going to do English
Okay, ma'am.
language
Okay,
today.
ma'am.
I had put it in the group also, English language. Open your book to page number 35.
yes ma'am okay ma'am
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Now the second picture, you
Okay,
have
ma'am.
1, 2, 3 houseflies. 3 houseflies. So it's written there, houseflies have 5 eyes. Children, there's some network problem due to which this is happening. Let's begin again. Page number 35, has and have. Look at the pictures. The first picture I told you, a housefly has 5 eyes. One single housefly.
Ma'am,
Yes. Ashwika, page number 35.
ma'am, which subject?
English language. आप लोग को ग्रुप में, क्लास ग्रुप में मैसेजेस चेक करने हैं टाइम से. All of you children, you have to be careful with the timings and your subjects.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. So we use has and have that we are going to study today. Has we use when we are talking about one thing. when we are talking about one thing and it tells you that something belongs, कोई चीज किसी को belong करती है. जब हम ये दोनों words use करेंगे has and have, they tell us that something belongs to someone. Just like in the above pictures, you have one housefly, उसके साथ हमने has लगाया है. When we are talking about one thing, has. When we are talking about more than one, एक से ज्यादा, then we use have, have, have. और इससे ये दो वर्ड सेंटेंस में जब यूज करे जाते हैं, we use has and have to say that something belongs to someone. कोई चीज किसी की होती है, belong करती है, then we use has and have. And has and have are also used with the pronouns. You have already done pronouns, children. With have we use I, you, we, they, and with has we use he, she, it. These are all the pronouns. Now look at the examples they have given here. Study the table. आपको दो चीजें याद रखनी है. Sorry. Has and have हम लोग यूज करते हैं. Has एक चीज की बात हो रही है, singular thing. Have for more than one, two or more, many. Then we use have, have. And we use them with pronouns also. Has and have with the pronouns also. Now in these sentences which are given on page 35, put your finger there. Let's read the first sentence on the in the column of have. I have a new uniform. मेरे पास न्यू यूनिफॉर्म है. आप अपनी बात कर रहे हैं. I is your pronoun. उसके साथ हम have यूज करते हैं. We use have. Then you have a black car. You are pointing out to somebody else जिसके पास ब्लैक कार है. आप उसको पॉइंट करके बोल रहे हैं you have a black car. The car belongs to that person. So we are using have. Then we, I told you we use it with we. We have a good teacher. Next, birds have wings. They have a lot of toys. They, again a pronoun. We are using have, have with that. Then you have Priya and Rajesh have a lot of books. Priya and Rajesh, they are two people, more than one. And they have lot of books. So we use have, have. एक से ज्यादा चीज के लिए जब हम बात कर रहे हैं किसी की, then we use have. Has हम use करते हैं जब हम सिर्फ एक चीज की बात कर रहे हैं. When we are talking about one thing. She has a pen. Remember she, a pronoun. Next, he has a new bag. He, again a pronoun. So we use has. एक चीज, one bag, a bag. Next, the house has a garden. The house has a garden, one garden. Next, Reena has a lot of toys. Reena is one girl and she has a lot of toys. So Reena, one person, we use has. Next sentence, children, put your finger there. Rohit has a lot of books. Rohit, one boy, one person, so we use has. And the next sentence, it has 8 legs. It has 8 legs. Now they're pointing to somebody, some creature, and saying it has 8 legs. Now, Vani, you will tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Has हम कब यूज करते हैं? जब हम एक से ज्यादा की बात कर रहे हैं या one thing की बात कर रहे हैं? has, one thing. Very good. Okay, Aradhya.
Ma'am.
When do we use have? When we are talking about one thing or more than one?
Ma'am.
Have
More.
more than one. Very good. So Has we use for one thing, have we use for more than one thing. You just have to remember this simple thing, children. Alright, now turn the page. You have some helping exercises giving here. You will be able to understand it better. You've turned the page? Okay, Bhavika, Abbas, Kayansh, all of you please switch on your cameras. Shanavar, Rudra, Vikya,
Yes, ma'am.
Prayan,
Yes, ma'am. Can you see, ma'am?
प्रयान आपने अभी कैमरा ऑन किया था?
मेरा कैमरा खुला है. Can you see
No,
me,
it is
ma'am?
not.
Can you see me, ma'am?
No, I cannot. Now I can see you. अब आपने ऑन करा है
Ma'am,
कैमरा.
Can
शाहनवाज,
you see me? Can you see me?
yes. Switch off your mic, Shahnavar. Aban,
Ma'am, can you see me? Ma'am, can you
no,
see me?
now I can see you.
Ma'am,
Alright.
can you see me?
Now come to page number 36 quickly. Page 36.
Ma'am, मैं दिख रहा हूँ.
Come to page 36, all of you. No, Shanavar. I think there's some network problem. So you follow in your books. Page number 36. Exercise A. Match each picture with its sentence correctly. Match each picture with its sentence correctly. Now look at the pictures on the left hand side first. Look at the pictures on the left hand side. You have a boy reading. Then you have a starfish, one single starfish, and then you have one boy playing with a toy. Come to the other side, right hand. First picture, there are three children are reading the books. Then second picture, you have more than one starfish. And the last picture, you have more than one children playing with toys. Now I am just reading the sentence and you will tell me which picture you will put the number against. The first one, the boy has a toy. The boy has a toy. Now look at the pictures, all of you, very carefully, and you will tell me where we are going to put number 1. Prayan? The boy has a book. Sorry, the boy has a toy. Now look at the pictures, one boy with a toy. Have you found that picture, Prayan? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are going to put over there number 1, children. All of you write number 1. Then the second sentence. The children have many toys. Now look for the picture where you can see more than one children playing with toys. Ishi, that picture is on right hand or left hand? Ishi, can you see the picture in your book?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ishi.
First,
On the right hand side, the last picture. Put over there number 2, children.
ma'am,
Yes, Aishu.
फर्स्ट नंबर पे उस बॉय के बगल में नंबर 1
नंबर
लिखना
1
है.
लिखना है. यस, उस बॉय के बगल में ही नंबर 1 आप लिखेंगे.
थैंक यू मैम.
Okay. Next, you have put number 2 on the other side. More than one children are playing with the toys. Have you put number 2 over there? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, next, number 3. Imran has a book. Imran has a book. Imran is a boy. Now look for the picture. Have you found the picture? Give me a thumbs up. That is the first picture on your left. The first picture on your left. Have you got it? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, good. Put number 3 there, children. Next, number 4. The students have books. The students have book, more than one. Shanavar, you will tell me more than one. The students have book. That picture is on right hand or left hand?
4.
Yes, 4, number 4. आप किस पिक्चर पे नंबर 4 लिखेंगे?
Ma'am, which page number? Right, left.
The picture that has
Ma'am,
more than one
left
student.
hand. Excuse me, ma'am. Left hand.
Yes, Vani.
Which page number?
We are on page number 36.
Excuse me,
children.
ma'am.
Put number 4 over there. Done it, all of you?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aradhya.
नंबर 3 में क्या लिखा था?
नंबर 3 में लिखा है इमरान हैज अ बुक. इमरान इज वन बॉय. आपके पेज में जो फर्स्ट पिक्चर है दैट इज इमरान. ही इज होल्डिंग अ बुक इन हिज हैंड. सो यू पुट ओवर देयर नंबर 3.
मैम,
यस
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
यस
नंबर 1 में क्या लिखना है?
भाविका, नंबर 1 द बॉय हैज अ टॉय. हमने आपसे बोला था आप पिक्चर उसमें ढूंढिए जिस वन बॉय है और उसके पास टॉय है. यू हैव टू पुट ओवर देयर नंबर 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Done it, Bhavika? Okay. The students have book number 4. Next, number 5. A starfish has 5 legs. A starfish has 5 legs. That is one single starfish. Look for that starfish and put number 5 over there. Give me a thumbs up when you've done it. Okay. Then number 6.
I have done.
Number 6. Starfish have 5 legs. More than one starfish. Yes.
मैं समझ नहीं पा रही हूँ कि कैसे नंबर दिया जाता है मैम.
जो पिक्चर्स बनी है, पिक्चर्स के पास में आपको सिर्फ नंबर्स लिखने हैं. पिक्चर्स के पास में नंबर्स लिखने हैं.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Starfish have 5 legs. Now more than one. Many starfish. So we have the word HAVE, have, over here. Now look for the picture and put over there number 6. Put over there number 6. Got it, all of you? Now put over there learn. LEARN, learn. You have to learn how to match the correct answer with the pictures. Now moving on to exercise B. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with has or have. Fill in the blanks with has or have. Prayan, the first sentence. The giraffe dash a long neck.
Has a long neck.
The giraffe has a long neck. Now please keep your camera on. Off मत करिएगा उसको प्रयान. आंसर देने के लिए आप ऑन कर दे, उसके बाद keep it on. You don't have to switch off your cameras, children.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, but my camera was on.
No, now it's on. I can see you now. Okay? Now just leave it like this. Don't touch. Now you're...
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Okay, the next sentence, Vani. Vani, the next sentence.
Ma'am,
Clowns dash many funny faces. Clowns dash funny faces. More than one clown. So we use has or have. Vani?
have.
Have. Very good. HAVE, have. Children, write over there. Number 2.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
My work is done.
Okay. Just wait. Let everybody finish it. Number 3, Hania.
My work is done.
Hania, number 3. He dash short hair. He, one boy. So what
And
was that?
has.
Has. Okay, good. Put over there has, children.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay. Next. An
Ma'am,
elephant.
number 2 पे क्या था?
Have.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
Number.
Ma'am,
Now
I have
number
done.
4. An
Number
elephant.
2 पे क्या था? I have done.
Those who have done, you please sit quietly. Those who have done, sit quietly. Yes, Ahmed, the next one. An elephant dash a long trunk. One elephant, so we have has or have over there?
Has.
Has, okay. An elephant has a long trunk. Good. Next, Alia. Penguins dash wings. Penguins, more than one.
Have.
Have, H-A-V-E, have. Good. And the last sentence, Anshuman, the last sentence. The boy dashed 3 balloons.
Have.
The boy has 3 balloons. Okay, good. Right over there, has, children. And then put learn against that exercise.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम fill in the blanks में लास्ट वाला आंसर क्या आएगा? नंबर 2 पे क्या था?
The boy dashed 3 balloons. One boy. So, Satakshi, we will use has or have. One boy.
Has.
Has. Very good. So, put over there has.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Shanavar, you were asking number 2.
Number 2 में क्या था?
Read the sentence. It says clowns dash funny faces. Clowns more than one. So what will come over there? Has or have?
Have.
Have. Okay, good. Put it there now. You got it?
Have.
H-A-V-E. Write it there, Shanavar. And please put learn over there, children. Now listen to what I am telling you. I will be sending you the homework in the group. I am sending you the composition on myself. myself पे हम आपको composition की picture post करेंगे. आप उसको अपने English language notebook में करेंगे. You will do that work in your English language notebook. You will put today's date and you will copy that essay in your composition in your language copy. Right? Now join your hands, close your eyes for the prayer.
वीडियो बंद कर दिया.
वीडियो बंद नहीं करना है, वीडियो को ऑन रखना है अब्दुल. इनफैक्ट ऑल दोस्त जिसके वीडियोस ऑफ है ऑन करिए सबके.
सॉरी मैम.
You have to keep your videos on, children. Very conveniently आप लोग अपना कैमरा ऑफ करके बैठते हैं. बेटे मैम को अगर आप दिखेंगे नहीं तो मैम को लगेगा कि मैम तो फर्नीचर पे पढ़ा रही हैं. So please keep your cameras on so that I can see you. Join your hands, close your eyes for the prayer now. Oh God, thank you for this beautiful day you have given me today. Thank you for lessons and tasks which enlarged our mind and made us able to cope with difficult things come on our way. Thank you for the good values which we will never forget, and forgive us for our misdeeds which we would like to avoid always. This prayer we make for your name's sake. Amen. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.